This is my iPad Air. My kid recently cracked the screen, and I was considering replacing the screen. On the iPad Air, the digitizer can be replaced, just the glass part, and it's cheap. You can see over here it's $12.79. But I'm so cheap and lazy I didn't want to replace the screen. So you can see I've actually put on a glass screen protector over this and called it a day. This thing is so old, it's probably worth like $40. So if I replace the screen, it'll just cost $13. But then I also need to replace the battery anyways, and that's another $18. So I'm literally preparing it for the cost of replacing it. So my financial decision was I'm not going to touch it anymore. I put on this $3 screen protector. It's a glass one. I'm going to call it a day. I should replace the battery too, but I should just move on. Sometimes you just have to tell yourself it's time to move on and get something that's more reliable. And this is like 2015 or something. So that's my little story about how I could have fixed this, but I'm deciding to just live with it. And I just put a nice glass screen protector. I could have used a plastic one, it'd be about the same price, but those things come off pretty easily. And the glass one, you can see it makes it look snug.